Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video showing how I get my hair back to feeling soft and strong after having it blow dried. I think this is 10-day-old blow dried hair that I'm washing now. So because I can't add water daily to my hair when it's blow dried, because otherwise it will revert back to curly, by the time it's washed day, my hair, it tends to be quite dry. This video is in partnership with Palmer's, so I'll be using all Palmer's products to get my hair back into condition. So firstly, my hair does need a good scrub because I've been using edge control and gels and stuff around my edges for 10 days, so there is a bit of build up there. This coconut oil conditioning shampoo by Palmer's did a really good job at getting off all the build up. I only had to shampoo once and you can see that the lather just came up straight away. So I massage that into my scalp, all around my edges, and kind of push it back into the center of my hair as well. To make sure that all of my hair and roots have been cleaned, I do split my hair down the middle and then just give my head a scrub down the middle as well. If you do feel like you need a little bit more bubbles but you don't want to add more shampoo, just add a tiny bit of water and then start scrubbing again and it will lather up some more. Does anybody else find watching shampoo being rinsed out of hair so satisfying? I love the look of the bubbles running down the hair. So I make sure that I thoroughly rinse out all the shampoo. I then section my hair into 4 sections ready to condition it, just because I want to make sure that I can detangle and get the conditioner all over my hair. To condition, I'm going to be using both the deep conditioning protein pack and the repairing conditioner. I do mix these together. Whether you're supposed to do this or not, I don't know, but it works wonders for my hair. One of the reasons why I started mixing it is because the one protein pack isn't enough for my whole head. So I thought, okay, let me just mix it and see what happens, and it worked. So from there, that's all I've been doing. So I add a little bit of the protein pack on the first section and run that through. It has great slip even without the conditioner, so it's really easy to start the detangling process. So I start finger combing that through. Then once that's through all of the section, I add a bit of the repairing conditioner as well. This adds extra moisture. It makes sure that the whole section is covered and makes the detangling process so much easier because it has so much slip. I love a conditioner with slip, and this is perfect. After I finger detangled for a while, I go in with the wide tooth comb just to get out all the little knots that my fingers can't get rid of. And then once that's all detangled, I clip up that section. I do the other 4 sections the exact same way, so the protein pack first, then the conditioner. I leave them both on whilst I shower the rest of my body. That way the steam can kind of penetrate the hair, get the conditioner going. Then once I'm all showered, I rinse out the protein pack and the conditioner with cool water. This seals in your cuticles, seals in the moisture, and just makes your hair so much more smooth and bouncy. It actually makes a really big difference. So the first product that I always apply when I get out of the shower is a leave-in conditioner. This time I'm using the coconut oil leave-in conditioner by Palmer's, which is a spray-on, which is really convenient because it's really easy to just moisturize each section and clip it back up just to make sure that the sections aren't drying out whilst you're working on the other sections. So I find this really handy. So I just spray that on all 4 sections, clip them back up, and then go ahead and style my hair. And I also use this leave-in conditioner as a finisher as well. So once my style is done, I spray a bit of the leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair, as you can see that I'm doing here. This just adds an extra layer of moisture, gets my hair feeling soft, and I kind of do it just for the smell as well because it smells so good. But that's it. That's how I get my hair back moisturized after having it blow dried for a while. Thanks for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye.